So now that you've put the templates into your course, it's time to start editing them for your specific course and for your specific students. So in the Getting Started module, you can see this picture here and a welcome message. To change this message, go up to the three dots and then click Edit. And you could change it to say, welcome to Vet 101, maybe the name of your course there. And then here it's just giving the students specific information as to how they'll use this module. And you could say, if you have any questions, email me at, and then put your email address there. However you would like to change this and personalize it. And then you'll just click Save. In the Getting Started module, there's lots of different templates here. So let's look at the instructor information one first. You'll go through a similar process to edit all of these templates, just like you did on that module overview. So click the three dots and then go to Edit. And you're just going to replace these instructions that I typed out here with your information, your bio. So I might say something like, welcome to the course. I'm excited to be working with you. I've been at the college and then you could go into your bio. And then here you'll replace this with your name. And then to replace your picture, you'll click on this gray section here. Go up to the camera, go to My Computer, Upload, and then you can look for a picture there. Let me see. I'm just going to use a picture of an animal. Grab this one real quick. Add. This, you don't have to add alternative text for this one because it's just a picture of you. Say that it's decorative and then hit Save. And then there's your picture name there. You can replace it with your name. And then if there's only one instructor in this course, you can go ahead out, highlight this, and then just delete it out. Click on that, delete it. Click on this box and delete it. Okay, and then you'll just hit Save. And then that's your customized bio. So feel free to click through all of these and just use those three dots to edit each one to make it fit with your particular course. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out to CCIT or your department chair if you're having any problems.